friends, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. Look what I've got. This is a gift that Mara brought home from Korea, handmade. There was a lady making these at a market, and Mara bought one. They are dog collars, so I will put in a picture of Hobie modeling this sweet little thing. But look how adorable. So here's the ties. And I like how they put this little button tab here on the end of the tie. So you just tie it around the doggy's neck. And look how gorgeous. Let's do a nice little close-up of these little flowers and the little leaf. Excuse me, still getting over a bad cough. Little leaves, little flowers. Okay, so the back side, so that gives us a clue about how this is constructed. So looks like this final row includes the tie and was put on after. So the first row is actually this, looks like a double crochet row right here. And then turn, let's see, they look like they're all worked on the right side though. So maybe they did right-handed, left-handed, or maybe they just cut at the end of each row, but looked like a double crochet row, another row, maybe 3 rows of double crochet, and then the row of this fan. So the fan looks like it's a 5 double crochet and then a single crochet. Let's see, this is the wrong side of a double crochet row, so I guess the rows are turned. And then here's a, looks like that's probably a double crochet. I think it looks too tall to be a half double crochet. And then, so we did do right side, wrong side, right side, wrong side. So it is turned rows, and it is, and then a last row is single crochet that was added on. This is the wrong side, but it was added on this side, and then the tie was made. So looks like she started on the wrong side. So the right side, wrong side, right side, wrong side. So 4 rows and then an additional row of single crochet, and they made the ties. And look how beautifully woven these appliques are placed on. Like, you can't even see how they're attached in there. I can't tell if they're, oh, they're glued on. Okay, they're glued on. They're glued on, not sewn on. Okay, good to know. Okay, yep, they're glued on. I can feel a little bit of crunchy glue there. Okay, beautiful. Anyway, I will see you next week. Bye.
Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley, and thank you so much for spending time with me on my channel. I hope you've had a relaxing and valuable use of your time. So if you liked this video, here's another one that's similar that you might also enjoy. And here is the video, the last video that was uploaded in case you missed it. Everyone, please like and subscribe for more videos. They're usually posted on Wednesday or Thursday at the worst. Thank you. Bye. Say goodbye, Muffin.